Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, so we have Sargent Naughty, pinned by my buddy, PickMe 1977. And yeah, this is the lock that we have in the giveaway. I showed you I already picked it once, but I did not pick this on video yet. And I just can't see it leaving the lab without me at least trying to get it up on video for you guys. So yeah, we have Sargent Naughty here. And yeah, let's see if we get it open again. And we will check out what's inside of it. See what PickMe put in there for us. Alright, that should be pretty decent. And, well, we are going to go with top of the keyway. This awesome tension wrench from West Coast Picks in 40 thousandths, and it's very tight. It's cool though, gives it nice control. And, I don't remember what I picked it with, but probably this one here. One of my favorite picks from Truckmaster 30. Let's see if we get in there again. And we will take a look inside of it. This is pin 4. I believe this is a pin 6 lock, or excuse me, 6 pin lock. Nice click from 4. And this was a fun lock to pick too, so I'm going to pick it again. Okay, that was a nice click from 2. Get some counter here from 3. Okay, I got a click from him. Ooh, that was a nice click from 6. I don't know if that was good or bad though. Yeah, I think I got an overset from 6. Or not, possibly did it again. Alright, I had to back it out for a little bit. I'm pretty sure I had that overset. The way it feels like I'm oversetting some more, so let's try that again, guys. That was 4. Okay, that was a little bit from 6. Couple of big clicks from 4, but not sure if it was good or bad. Definitely got some counter back there, but alright, now we got a decent faucet off of 6. I just got a little bit from 3 and actually turned a little bit more. I think I got a little bit off of 2. A little bit from 5. And we just went pretty deep in that faucet now for 6. Alright, so now we got a really deep faucet going. And we got some counter right here. Possibly. check down here first. This pick might not be deep enough. Let's try a little bit deeper. This is the matador and sparrows. Okay, we definitely got some counter right here. But I don't think I got him. Nope, definitely didn't. I am about to break this matador. It's on its last leg. I got a couple more coming from sparrows, and we're open on 6. Alright. Oh, we got it open before we broke it. Sweet. Alright, let's see what's inside of this lot, guys. I think it actually took me a little longer that time than the first time. But that's cool. We got it open. We're on video. And we're about to see what's inside of it. So, good enough for me. Alright. Alright, well, we got another awesome pinning tray here from my buddy Steel Pinnings. I guess we use this one this time. Trying to change up a little bit on my pinning trays. Alright, let's get this screwed up. We don't want to lock this up because we don't have a key for it. But whoever gets this lock is going to have a fun lock to pick. And it's not that easy either, so... Alright, let's put a shim in there. I got a new one, but let me see if I can get this one in there first. It's very, very tight. Yes, it is. These Sargents are very good. Alright, I think we're good enough. Yeah, the tolerances in these Sargents are pretty good. Alright, we got it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Ooh, we got some work done in that core. Oh yeah, we got some heavy work. We got some countermilling, some threading in 1, some threading in 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and some modifications done in 5. Sweet. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have a serrated in 1. A very small serrated in 2. I don't have a key, but you can see that bidding so far. It's a crazy bidding so far. Double serration in 3. Come on. Looks like we have another serrated here in 4. Another serrated in 5. And... is that a little spool maybe? Or no, maybe another single serration. Alright, you can see the bidding that was in there. Pretty crazy bidding. Long, short, medium, medium, long, and another short. Alright, but I'll show you in a minute. Look at that work that he did to the core though. Definitely did some work there. He's got some counter milling and threading in 1. Then threading in 2, 3, and 4. Some threading in 5 with some extra modifications there. Which means there's probably a spool on top of 5 or something to try to give you a deeper fall set. And some threading in 6. Alright, let's see what he's got up here. Alright. Number 1 is a spool with a very sharp edge on the top of that to catch that counter milling in that core. And we have a steel spring. Number 2, okay, that's a wicked pin. There's a little bit of everything. Some spools, serrations, T-pin, and a copper spring, I believe. Alright, number 3. Ooh, that looks very serrated. Yeah, we got a very serrated pin in number 3. And a spring that doesn't want to come out. I'll have to see if I can get him out after. Alright, we'll go through the back here. Ooh, I think we have a pin and pin here in 6. With a serrated pin. Ooh. Alright, let me pull him out this way. There must be a wafer in there. Yep. Alright, let me dump that wafer. Okay, we got a little wafer and a steel spring. That's a wicked pin and pin. That's kind of like the way I like to make them sometimes. Alright. We got a... I'm not sure. That could be a double spool or a double wide serration there in 5. And I believe a copper string. And last but not least, number 4 is, excuse me, a serrated spool. Alright, let's see if we get that spring out. A steel spring. And, alright. Let's see if we did anything in here. I don't think so. No. No, but we still have a spring in number 3, I believe. Yep, number 3. Let me see if I can get them out of there. Ooh, he's stuck in there pretty good. I think if I pull on him too hard, it's just going to stretch him out. I believe it's a steel spring. Yeah. But I'm not going to try to take him out. I'll only end up stretching him out. Alright, let's take a look at these awesome pins, though. Because we do have some awesome pins. Alright. Key pin 1. Nicely serrated. And actually, I think it's a little reduced there on the top, too. And then up top here in the driver, we got this very sharp spool to catch that counter milling in the core there. Key pin 2, got that single serration. And check this pin out, this is pretty cool. It's got a little bit of everything in there. Serrations, I mean, wouldn't even know what to call that. That's awesome. Alright, key pin 3, couple serrations. And up top here in the driver, a bunch of serrations. Pretty sweet. Key pin 4, couple serrations. Driver number 4. Well, I guess you would call that a serrated spool. And it looks like it has a little step down in the middle of that spool too. Pretty cool. Key pin 5, you have a serrated. And the driver in 5 is, you could probably call that a double spool. Key pin 6, couple of very fine serrations, little serrations there. That's a very small pin too. And then we have the, I'm not going to pull up the wafer, but we have this wicked pin and pin. And look at that, it's got some serrations on the pin itself. And that's what I like to do too, put some nice serrations on there. And it's got nice serrations on that collar. Very sweet. And then we have a steel, copper, I believe that's a steel spring in 3, another steel spring in 4, copper, and a steel spring in 5. Yeah, very fun lock to pick. And yeah, that's the lock that we're giving away in the giveaway. So whoever gets it is going to have fun with that. And awesome. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys. Bye.